Alright, so I'm gonna give a little wrap around of the vehicle. I ain't gonna show y'all what I've done so far, you know. But for those that haven't seen the truck, you know, it's coming along quite well. Interior has been done. But what I'm going to do is I'm gonna turn it around on me. Quick little update. I got my seats in. So everybody traditionally on the OBS, they want to go grab some bucket seats up out of a late model Tahoe, Silverado. You know, I had offers from people like, hey, I got some good bucket seats, which I was thinking about doing some bucket seats out of a 2007 Chevy Tahoe, and it was the LTZ. No, take that back. It wasn't 2007. I was trying to do something else with a 2007. It was a 15 model Chevy Tahoe LTZ. Had the heated and cool seats. So I was like, I just had the idea of like, hey, I'm finna take an OBS and I want to be able to wire in and have heated seats. You know, because I want to eventually drive my project truck. I want to be able to drive it all year round. I just don't want to have to, you know, be like, okay, this is just a summer thing. No, in the heart of the winter, I want to be able to crank it up and drive it to work sometimes. So, with that being said, a lot of people, you know, I asked, you know, questions for a lot of people, and a lot of people was like, you know, with my idea, what I wanted to do, a lot of people was like, nah, man, that's not going to look right. Leave that to cars. Hey, to each his own. This is my personal bill. Everybody is different. But so I decided to make a video for YouTube. I want you all's input. What do y'all actually think about this transition? So turn this back around and I'm gonna show you. I went with the racing seats. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. This is a whole kit. I ordered this off Jegs. Ignore the little mess. I haven't vacuumed it or did anything. Got a few of my trim pieces back on. Still got to put that one up there. It's coming along quite well, which y'all know already did most of the dash, the carpet from the last video, and I gotta get my seatbelts put in. But for the most part, y'all let me know what y'all think. Think it looked pretty snazzy, something different. Everybody said it wouldn't look right in a truck. Me personally, I think it looks damn good. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it, and we'll take it from there. To everybody else that's building these vehicles, hey, keep pressing on, take your time, because that's what I'm doing. So I'm kind of behind. I'm supposed to have been taking it to the body shop so they can get everything else, get this thing ready and prep for paint. But I wanted to touch on a few things and get some stuff situated. So once again, y'all see it. Oh, and I'm actually building my own custom center console. That's coming up next. I'm gonna try to attack this head on. I got some old cardboard. Got the idea from a guy. He did his, and when I tell you, it looks remarkable, and that's all I got. Y'all let me know what y'all think about those seats in the comments. I think I did a pretty good job. For me doing half of this on my own, I think I'm on the right track. So y'all a quick another walk around, and I don't know if you can see it. That's what it looks like from the front. And surprisingly, this is what I love. I'm gonna get in. I'm still at a good height forward. I'm still at a good height. I can still see over the dash, over the front. This is about where it would be if I still had the old bench seats up in here. So new center console gonna come up, and I'm kind of gonna do it to where it's almost like, I don't know if I can get my camera. Y'all ain't got no good camera, but I want it about this height to where, since these don't have an armrest, I will be able to rest my arm on the center console and drive at the same time. So I don't know if y'all can see, if y'all can get a good view of what it looked like. I don't know. I'll edit this video later, but this is how I'm sitting. I think it's pretty nice. So like I said, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about that. Oh, and that's another thing that I like about my truck is I have power windows and power locks. So make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button so that y'all can keep updated. Hey, this is a build that I'm doing on my own. It's in remembrance of my grandfather. For those that do not know, my grandfather, this is the vehicle, 88 Chevy Silverado. This is the vehicle that I first learned how to drive in. Very first vehicle. So this is a tribute to him. So like I said, comment on it, and I'm gonna end this video. Y'all be safe, stay blessed.